Hello everyone, welcome to Donate Tuitions Maths as Number Game. And this is the third video of the arithmetic progression of exercise 5.2. We start from here question number 4 onwards. The question number 4 says that which term of an AP 3, 8, 13, 18 is the last term is 78. Means AP given here 3, 8, 13, 18 and so on is the term. Term 78 is there. Means if we continues like this AP, the 78 will come or not the. Means we have to find the number of terms. Which number of terms is the 78 in that? So it is given here A is equal to 3, D is equal to, you know that one. Last video you can see that how to find the D. Means 8 successor term minus predecessor term. So A2 minus A1. A2 is the 8 here and the A1 is equal to 3. So D is equal to we found the 5. In that the number of an, this is the last term, an, nth term in that given the 78. We have to prove that whether it is a term or not. So we know that formula. Already you seen that in second video. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. This one. An already given here 78 is equal to a you know that one 3 is given. A given the 3 plus n. N is equal to give don't know the n minus 1 as it is d. D is given, we found the D 5. Now we are solving it. 78. This number will come decide means from RHS to LHS it will come the number sign will change. So it will become minus 3 is equal to n minus 1 into 5. 78 minus 3 is equal to 75 is equal to n minus 1 into 5. Now 5 will come beside multiplication is there. RHS to LHS will come. It will become the division. So 75 by 5 is equal to n minus 1. This we can cancel 7 5 1 ja 5 and then again 2 5 5 ja 25 means 15 5 ja 75 is equal to n minus 1. So n is equal to it will become the 15 plus 1. This will come this side, so it will become the n is equal to 16. So 16th term, which term means 16th term of this AP is the 78. 78. Now we are going to question number 5. As question number 5 says that find the number of terms in each of the following AP. We are going to find the number of terms. Find the number of terms. Number of terms means n we are going to find out. In that first one it is given in that. First one given AP. AP given 7, 13, 19 and so on is the 209. In that A is equal to given 7. And you know D is equal to A2 minus A1 and D is equal to A2 is given in that what 13 minus 7. So D is equal to how much we got? D is equal to 13 minus 7 is equal to 6 we got D. A already 7. Now AN given in that AN given last term is what? Nth term is the 209. We have to find the n. N is the question mark. N is the question mark. In that we are going to find the question mark means we are writing formula. What is the formula? An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. An means nth term. Nth term how much given? 209 is equal to a how much given? A given the 7 plus n we don't know. We are going to find out the n as it is minus 1 into d. How much we found the d? 6 we go to the d in that. Now we are finding in that 209 and this is the RHS to LHS it will become the minus 7 is equal to n minus 1 into 6. So 209 minus 7 is equal to 202 is equal to n minus 1 into 6. Now this 6 will come this side, so it will become the division. 202 divided by 6 is equal to n minus 1. N minus 1. So here it will become that we can cancel it like this. 6 3s are 18 and again we can find that 6 1s are 6, 6 3s are 18 and 6 3s are 18 is equal to n minus 1. N is equal to what we got? 33 plus 1. N is equal to 34. So there are the 34 terms are there in that. Total there are the 34 terms are there. This is the first question in that. Now second, fifth main second one question what asked. Second question it is given that 18, 15, 1 by 2, 13 and minus 47. You know that A is equal to in that A given A is equal to 18. D is equal to A2 minus A1. D is equal to A2. 15 to the 30 plus 1 31. 31 by 2 minus 18. First one. So we can write it like this. D is equal to 31 as it is into minus 18 to the 32 36 by 2. 2 1 ja 2. We can write 1 by here. So this number multiply by this number multiply this number, and this one LCM of that number. So now we got the D is equal to 31 minus 36 is equal to minus 5 by 2. Now we are finding the, now AN given, ANth term given minus 47. We are going to find the N. N is equal to question mark is given. Now we know the formula. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. This is the formula to find that one. AN how much given? AN given minus 47 is equal to A. How much A? 18. 18 plus N minus 1, because of N we are going to find out, into D. D how much we got? D we got minus 5 by 2. Minus 5 by 2 we got. Now minus 47, this number will come this side, so it will become the transposing. By the transposing, minus 18 is equal to N minus 1 into minus 5 by 2. It will become. Now minus 47 minus 18 is equal to, it become the 65. Minus 65 is equal to N minus 1 into minus 5 by 2. Now this minus 5 by 2, from the RHS to the LHS it will come, it will become the division. So we can write it 65 into, this will come in that side, so it will become the 2 by 5. Minus is there in that? Minus is already there, because of ulta reciprocal become it is. So we can cancel it by the 13 to the 26. 13 5 is 65. 26 is equal to N minus 1, or N is equal to 26 plus 1 is N is equal to 27. So there are the 27 terms are there in that. Total term, there are the 27 term are there. Now it is asked the question number 6. Question number 6 says that in that. Question number 6 says, check whether minus 150 is a term of, check whether this minus 150 is a term of the AP 11852. Now AP given in that. Question given, check whether minus 150 is a term of AP. What is the AP given? 11, 8, 5, 2 and so on. Whether it is a term or not there. Means if it is N, we are going to find, this is the given in that. So if we find that here A is equal to 11 given, D we are finding, D is equal to what given? A2 minus A1, means successor term minus predecessor term. So 8 minus 11 is equal to minus 3. We got the D, this one. Now nth term given, means AN given, AN is equal to minus 150 given, minus 150 given. We have to prove, we have to find the number of N, if whether the N terms are there or not there. So we are writing the formula, AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. AN given minus 150 is equal to A given 11 plus N minus 1 into D. D how much we got? Minus 3. Minus 3. So this number will come this side. Minus 150 minus 11 is equal to N minus 1 into minus 3. Now we can write it like this also. Minus 161, this one same sign are added, is equal to N minus 1 into minus 3. Now we are taken coming this one, minus 3, this will come, so it will become the division. Minus 161 by minus 3, minus minus cancel, is equal to N minus 1. Now we are cancelling it. 3 5s are 15, 11 remaining, means 161 divided by 3 is equal to 5s are 15 first, then it will become the 1 remainder, 3 3s are 9. Yet remainder coming, means it is coming some fraction form, it is coming, means 33 53 or 2 by 3 coming, means that cannot be the number of the terms, cannot be the number of the terms. So like that we can say that it is not a term of given AP, term of a given AP. Now I will write another one question. If shortcut one formula is there to find the N, directly we can find this question by the direct formula. How this is by the N? If you are going to find the N by the shortcut way, then it is like this. We can derive the formula also. See, it is written AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Now suppose that this will come beside, so AN minus A is equal to N minus 1 into D. Now D will come, AN minus A by D is equal to N minus 1. Now 1 will come to AN minus A by D plus 1 is equal to n. So this is the formula we can find to find the nth term, n number term. Term number of n is there or not, that we can find that one by the shortcut formula. It is. So I hope you are understanding. So please like the video, share the video, comment on that next video which you want. It is demanded video, so that it is made it. Next we are going question number 7 in that. Find the 31st term. Find the 31st means A31 is the question mark given. Question number 7 it is. A31 is the question mark given of an AP whose 11th term A11 is equal to given how much? 38 given. Next it is given, and the 16th term A16th is equal to given the 73. Now we have to find the A31. Already in the last video we made that what is the general form of an AP. General form of AP is A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, and so on. This is the first term, means A term. This is the second term, A2 second term. This is the A3 term. This is the fourth term, A fourth term. We can see that 2 is there, here single D is there, 3 is there, then 2D is there, 1 less, 4 is there, then 3D is there. Means it is the 1 less D is coming. 4 is there, the 3. Suppose that I ask you the number, what is the number of the A31? A31 is equal to what we can write? A plus 30D we can write, because of 31 less than 1. So that A11 we can write in this form. A11 is equal to A plus 10D is equal to how much given it is? 38. Already given it is. Here given it is in that 38. Now it is another given. A16 is equal to what? We can write A plus 15D. As is the general form of that, A1 less than is equal to how much given? 73. Now already you read in the last linear equation in 2 variables how to solve it by the substitution method or by the elimination method. So I am using here elimination method. Minus done, this is minus here, this is the plus, then it is also minus, this is equal sign, this is plus, then it will become the minus. This is become the cancel because the plus and minus happen. This is plus 10 minus 15 is equal to minus 5. D is equal to minus 73 minus 38 means that 13 minus 8 is equal to 5, and this become the another time, this will become the 4, so it become the 35. 5 minus 5D is equal to 35, means 73 minus 38 is equal to minus 35. D is equal to, we can write minus 35 by minus 5, it will become. So what we can write in that, we can write now minus cancel, and this. So D is equal to, we got the 7. D is equal to how much we got? 7 we got. Now we are finding that A31st term. We are finding A31st term. To find the A31st term, we know that already written A31 is equal to A plus 30D. A plus 30D. Now first of all we have to find the A also. Suppose that we are writing in that number given A11 is equal to A plus 10D is equal to given 38. In the D already we found A value A plus 10 into D. D how much we got? D we got here 7. D we got the 7 here. So this 7 we are keeping here, 7 is equal to 38. Now A plus 10 7s are 70 is equal to 38. Now A is equal to 38. This number will go that side, so it will become the minus 70. A is equal to 38 minus 70 is equal to minus 2, and this will become the 32. So that A is equal to minus 32 we got. A also we got, D also we got. Now we are getting A31. A31 is equal to A number is given A plus 30D. A how much got? Minus 32 plus D 30 into D how much we got? Already you know 7 got. D is equal to 7. Here written 7. Backside also shown to you 7. So minus 32 plus this will become the 210. So is equal to 210 minus 32 is equal to, it become the 100. It become in that minus doing, then 10 minus 2 is equal to 8. This will become the 4. So it will become the 17. 178. 178. This is the answer, so that 178. Now we are going question number 8. Question number 8 we are going. In question number 8 says that, question number 8 says an AP consists of 50 terms. Total term it is given the 50. Consists of 50 terms. N is equal to 50. Total term is the 50 given. Of which the third term means A third term is 12. Third term is the 12. That is given. A3 given the 12 given. Now it is asked another one, and the last term is, last term means last, the 50th term, A50. Total 50 term is that the last term will become the A50 only. A50 is equal to become the 106. 106. Find the 29th term. We are going to find the A29. A29 we are going to find out. Now we know that already. First of all, here given the form A, n given an, that is the an. Means an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. In that we can find that. So an is equal to how much given? 106 is equal to a, we don't know, a plus n, that is 50 terms, minus 1 into d. D how much is there? That we don't know. So d written. One method. Another method also will be done. 106 is equal to this one done, a plus 49d. 49d. Now